Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about plague and rabies. Plague is another disease spread by a blood-sucking insects. The first flies plague is primarily in disease of rats and other rodents, caused by a bacteria, Pasteurella pestis. But it may be carried by fleas or to man the several other animals. When a rat is suffering from plague, the germs of disease are present in the blood. The plague bacteria are multiplied too rapidly in the insects found. About 3 days after infection, there is sudden rise of temperature, severe headache, and pain in the back. The nervous system is distributed the patient seem to the intoxicated about the same time. In most cases, lymph glands at the top of the thigh or under the armpit become slow tender. Most victims of plague die very soon unless treated with some effective. In some cases, buboes do not develop. In some rare cases, the patient's lungs become infected with the plague. Preventive measures. Since treatment does not always cure plague, preventing is most important. Rodent plague existed even before human plague broke out. Hence, important is destroy as many rats, flies infected, DDT, sparing DDT. Whenever a large number of dead rats are found anywhere, a report should be made to the public health authorities. They will collect the rats and examine them in the laboratory. In order to kill the rat, any of the following three methods can be destroyed. Trapping should be cleaned by oiling, with the baits be changed regularly. Baiting can be done by mixing poison and gum and atta and made into small pills and places in all the corners of the house. Precautions should be taken to keep them away from the reach of small children. Smoking of the rat holes was done by burning a mixture of sulfur and straw and by blowing the smoke into the holes. The disinfect plague in infected room and to kill rats. The best method of prevention from plague is immunization against it. The next is rabies. A small number of diseases are known to spread from animals to man, including anthrax and some parasites forms. Rabies is most serious disease is spread by animals. The fatal disease is caused by virus transmitted by the body, maybe dogs, jackals, wolves, and monkeys. Man become infected when he is bitten by, scratched by an animal suffering from rabies. Afraid animals often scratches the mouth of remove saliva and thus insect the claws. Hence, there is danger from scratches as well as from dog bites. The symptoms of the disease do not develop for a long time, from 3 to 8 weeks after the bite, and if posture and transmitted into given before sign of the disease appear, the patient rarely get rives. If the dog is still alive and well of the end of this period, then it means that it was the infected with rabies. If the dog was unaffected before it bit the patient, it will go mad and die with a few days. Then the posture treatment of the patient is necessary. The posture treatment was first introduced in 1885 when Pasteur found the rabies virus contained the spinal cord and mad dog could be gradually weakened and laboratory until it to the longer caused death. Just way to control rabies to control the disease in dog. A dog case only get rabies. It is bitten by an infected animal, usually another mad dog. Hence, all if all dogs in a large area are muzzled from a sufficient period each year, no dog can be infected. Contagious disease. The disease which are spread through personal contact with the patient are called contagious disease. Thus is contagious disease is infected spread through contact without the patient of any medicine like air, water, food, etc. The disease are tuberculosis, leprosy, trachoma, yaws, when diseases and contain parasitic infestation. Leprosy, it is chronic continence. It is characterized by developed of lesion on the skin and mucous membrane. Leprosy is caused by the innervation of the bacilli, and symptoms of the disease take a very long time to develop, sometimes are ranging from 2 to 5 years. It is not quite certain how to germs enter the body. Leprosy bacteria live mainly in the body tissues but are sometimes found in the blood and in nasal discharges. Nasal discharges. The people living in close contact many breathe in the infected droplets. As the incubation period of leprosy is long, but the ineffective is low. In the most severe form of leprosy, bacteria are found chiefly in the skin, and this is the type of prosy which is spread most rapidly in the other form. Disease attack the nerve, interfering with their working so that the affected areas become insensitive to pain, heat, and cold. The muscles are also affected, and the arms or legs lose much of their movement. Sometimes they may become paralyzed.